Welcome to the Scientists' Villa, a place for the curious legends. Let's start today's video about how to memorize something faster. Many of the colleges, academics want you to learn or memorize many things. If you are facing problems in memorizing, then this video is for you. In this video, I will be telling you 3 easy tips, which might be known by everyone. But I will also tell you the reasons behind that, so watch the whole video. Follow these simple tips to improve your memorization skills, and be the smartest person in the room. Follow these simple tips to memorize and retain information faster and for a longer time. First, repeat, repeat and repeat. The foremost and the easiest way to quickly memorize something is to repeat it over and over, as it will habituate your brain to the phrase, allowing you to retain it for a while. Repetition will also allow you to clear your doubts, as you will be able to minutely examine what you are learning and will be able to analyze it better. Second, understand what you are trying to memorize. Memorizing a subject and not merely cramming it up requires you to understand the subject, which will help you retain it for a long amount of time. If you understand a subject, you will easily know its meaning, which will allow you to memorize the crux of what you want to learn. Understanding the subject will also save you time in the future, when you are going through the subject again, as you will retain the information longer. Third, write it down. Writing is the oldest and surest way to memorize something, as it associates what you have learned with muscle memory. Apart from muscle memory, writing also provides a scope to visually learn, as you can learn further by reading what you wrote. Apart from memorizing, it will also allow you to understand what you are writing, which will, of course, increase your chances of retaining information for a long time. So these are some of the memorizing tips, which are too simple but long-lasting effective. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe our channel Scientists Villa. And if you want to connect with us, you can follow us on Instagram. And see you in the next video.